Finding the scale factor. Again, what is a scale factor? The scale factor is the ratio of two corresponding side lengths of similar figures. Okay, let's start. The two similar prisms shown here suggest two important relationships for similar solids. The ratio of the side length is 1 to 2. The ratio of the surface areas is 22 to 88 because we have the surface area from the first figure, which is 22 meters squared, and the surface area of the second figure is 88 meters squared. And if you simplify 22 over 88, that will be 1 over 4, or 1 is to 4. Next, how about the volumes? The volumes of the first figure is 6 cubic meter, and the volume of the second figure is 48 cubic meter. So the ratio of the volume is 6 to 48, or if you simplify these two numbers, it will be 1 to 8. Next, the ratio of the surface areas is the square of the scale factor, and the ratio of the volumes is the cube of the scale factor. So these two basic facts apply to all similar solids. Now let's move to Theorem 11-12, areas and volumes of similar solids. If the scale factor of two similar solids is A to B, or A over B, then the ratio of their corresponding areas is A squared to B squared, or A squared over B squared. Then the ratio of their volumes is A cubed to B cubed, or A cubed over B cubed. Now problem number 2. The square prisms at the right are similar. What is the scale factor of the smaller prism to the larger prism? The first figure, or the smaller prism, has the volume of 729 cubic centimeters. And the second figure, or the larger prism, has the volume of 1,331 cubic centimeters. Now, what is our plan? We all know that the given is in cubic, or in volume. How can you use the given information? Since we have the given volumes of two similar solids, we will use the ratio A cubed to B cubed, or A cubed over B cubed. Now, let us solve. So if we have the ratio A cubed over B cubed, what is the ratio of this into numbers? The first figure has 729, and the second figure has 1,331. So the ratio of the volume is 729 over 1,331. The next step, take the cube root of each side. What is the cube root of 729? Or what number that if you multiply 3 times by itself, the answer is 729? Yes, and that is 9. How about the cube root of 1,331? Or what number, if you multiply 3 times by itself, the answer is 1,331? Yes, and that is 11. Now, what is our scale factor? The scale factor is 9 over 11. Let's answer Got It number 2. Got It 2 question. What is the scale factor of two similar prisms with the surface areas 144 square meters and 324 square meters. Look at the given. The given are in areas. So what ratio we will use? Is it area or for volume? Yes, and that is for area. So the ratio of the area is a squared to b squared, or a squared over b squared. So what number is in a squared and what number is in b squared? So we have the ratio 144 over 324. Now, what is the square root of 144? And what is the square root of 324? What is the number multiplied 2 times by itself? The answer is 144. That is 12. How about 324? Or what number multiplied 2 times by itself? The answer is 324. Yes, and that is 18. Now a over b is equal to 12 over 18. Or if we will simplify it, it will be 2 over 3. What is the scale factor? The scale factor is 2 to 3 or 2 over 3.